Welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, the live TV show all about the legal aspects of your business to educate you on the complicated legal terms in an easy to understand manner, to understand why you do things from a legal aspect in your business, and help you develop a plan for the future success of your business. Did you know that any business owner is on average 7 months away from losing everything? That is the average time it takes for a successful business to fold when an aspect of their business is not set up correctly. Have you ever wanted to get legal advice but didn't understand what was going on? And do you feel like there's a divide between your lawyers and yourselves? Well, this TV show is all about empowering you and your business and to give you the business knowledge you need to be successful in the future. Today's the first day that we're also streaming this live onto LinkedIn. So welcome to anyone watching on LinkedIn and our regular viewers on Facebook Live. So Business Legal Lifecycle TV delivers a twice-weekly show focusing on the legal aspects of your business. At lunchtime on Mondays, today we present Fast Fix Monday, a quick 5 to 10 minute show giving you some actionable steps to consider for your business from a legal point of view at any time. At lunchtime on Wednesdays, we also present our in-depth show. That's between 30 minutes to an hour to go through complicated legal aspects of your business in a simple to understand manner. And also to interview experts in the fields that matter to you and your business. So today is Fast Fix Monday, and as you saw on Facebook, today we're talking about when should you trademark. So trademarking comes into phase 5 of the business legal lifecycle. It's all about protecting your intellectual property, and trademarking is one of those controversial points where people think that you need to do it early on in business to be able to protect your business. But that's not necessarily true. In an age where you can start a business with a laptop, an idea, and an internet connection, setting up a trademark early on is often not viable for many businesses. So what we've put together for today's presentation is some quick things to think about, and I'll put up a checklist into the comments on both Facebook and on LinkedIn to give you some ideas about when you should actually trademark your logo for a business. So a very brief introduction. Trademarks are everything that you've got. So the business legal lifecycle is a trademark. A business name is a trademark. Whether or not you register that is up to you, and you've got to decide whether or not it's viable for you to do so. So the first question that I always ask my clients is, have they built a product that's worth spending the money protecting? So that's the first thing to think about. Is it actually worthwhile spending the money that's going to cost you to actually protect your product? And when you adopt the agile principles, do you have a minimum viable product for your idea? So that's the first thing. If you don't have that, then don't bother trying to trademark your idea or your business logo, because if you do that, then you're probably wasting your money. Is your trademark unique enough to be trademarked and registered? Well, that's an interesting question. There are literally thousands of trademarks out there and thousands of registered trademarks. It's become harder and harder for us lawyers to get trademarks registered. Why? Because a lot of ideas have happened already and a lot of things have been registered already. So what you need to do is do a search of IP Australia, so that's the government body that registers trademarks, and see whether or not your idea for a logo has been taken. There are a number of classes that you can register your trademarks in, and you need to make sure that you're registering it in the right class for your business and your trademark. The other thing to bear in mind is, do you want to change that trademark in the future? This is a big question because it is a costly process to register a trademark, and a lot of business owners have a great idea for their business straight up, and they then go and change the name or the logo of their business, and they might have spent a few $1,000s when they don't have any other money to register the trademark for their business, and then they go and change it. That's a bad idea. That's a costly exercise that is not necessary and that you shouldn't incur. The last thing is to think about whether or not it's worth spending money and at what time. So phase 5 of the business legal lifecycle is all about spending money at the time when you should spend it for your business. So if phase 5 comes after bringing on employees, which comes after bringing clients on. And the idea of that is to build yourself up to a business that's actually going to be successful and is going to actually help people and do what you want it to do. So as I've said, I'm going to post up a link to our Business Legal Lifecycle website. There's a checklist that we've developed, which we think is pretty handy, and it gives you the things to think about when you should actually register a trademark. That's all from me today. I'd like to wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you on Wednesday at lunchtime for our in-depth episode where we're going to go through copyright and trademarks. Thanks very much.